When a layout guides the eye naturally, viewers spend more time exploring every part of the design. Today, how to create visual sequence frames. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Select a soft neutral background and apply a light gradient for subtle dimension. Insert 4 rectangular frames and arrange them in a sequence from the top left toward the bottom right. Upload your images and place them into the frames, adjusting crops carefully so the story progresses visually from one image to the next. Increase the size of the second frame slightly to create a focal point. Add thin connecting lines between the frames and reduce their opacity to keep them understated. Apply a light shadow effect